Good day, community. Our character trait for today is comparing. When I compare, it's difficult to enjoy my blessings. I may not have a lot, but I find joy in the simple things. Where can you find this character trait? This character trait was found in Hebrews chapter 12, verse 14a. Do your very best to live in peace with everyone. This character trait is found in the story about Jacob's son Joseph. Now, let me tell you the story. Jacob had 12 sons, but liked Joseph the best. He gave him yummy treats and gave him a colorful coat that made him look very handsome. Why did he get a new coat and we didn't? It's not fair, his brothers complained. They compared their things with Joseph's, and that made them feel grumpy. We can't take it anymore. Let's tie him up and sell him as a slave. After many years of difficulties following this decision, Joseph was made ruler of Egypt with an important job to storing food for an upcoming famine. Not long after, Joseph's brothers came with growling tummies to buy food in Egypt. There they saw Joseph. Even though he had a lot more than they did, it did not matter anymore. Joseph's love and forgiveness more than anything they might envy. How can I teach myself not to compare? We can do it by counting our blessings instead of comparing. Count it, and you will see you have a lot. Always have a heart of thankfulness and contentment for what God has given you. Again, the character trait for today is comparing. And a reminder, stop comparing, start counting. Have a wonderful day. Shalom.